3. How are you doing? I hope everything is fine and okay. So today we have a new lesson, which is estimate fractions. Please open your page 390. So let's start. You can estimate using fractions to tell about how much, about how full is each cup. So here they're asking this cup and this cup and this cup, about how full they are, or about how much they're full. So write about 1/4 or 1/2 or 3/4 to estimate the part of a whole. Basically here they already answered that this one's about 1/4 and this one's about 1/2 and this one's about 3/4. And that's it. We're just estimating. Doesn't mean it's very exact. Again, estimating, or when we estimate, it means the answer is not exact. For this reason we use the word about. Okay, so let's start. Is the estimate correct? Write yes or no. So we're gonna write here if the estimate in here is correct or no. So about what part is the light blue? You see the light blue? We have this is the light and this is the dark. So the light blue is about the 3/4. Basically here you're gonna just say in your point of view, is it correct or no? Sorry for the camera is moving, but for me we'll just write it here. So yes, it's a reasonable answer, about 3/4. Okay, 3/4. Now here number 2, about how much pizza is left. So about 1/2. This is what they said. Do you think that this is 1/2? No, the 1/2 is only this. Only this is 1/2. If this was eaten, this one is 1/2. But basically this is not correct. So we're gonna say no. Sorry for the handwriting again because I'm struggling holding the camera with one hand. It's okay. Now I'm gonna pass to number 3. They said about what part of the hour has passed. Here they said about 1/2. Basically, yes, about 1/2 of the hour is passed and now have the other half of the day. So tonight, let's say. So yes, this is correct. Pass to number 4. About how much of the pie is left? 1/4. Okay, if I'm gonna divide the pie to 4, is it 1/4? Yes, 1 out of 4. So yes, it's correct. Okay, pass to number 5. About how much sand is in the bucket. So is it about 3/4? Basically, we still have here only 1/4. So yes, it's correct. Gonna write yes. Okay, number 6. They said about what part of the sandwich is left. Is it 1/4 of the sandwich is left? Basically 1/4 is eaten, so we still have 3/4. So this is a big no. Okay, now I'm gonna pass to the next page. We're gonna keep doing basically the same thing. They said estimate again. Estimate the fraction for the part of each set that is shaded. Write less than 1/2 or more than 1/2. So we're gonna say, is it less than 1/2 or more than 1/2? Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it means the half is 5. So we have only 3, so it's less than 1/2. Correct. Now in number 8, we're gonna see how we have. So 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So is it more or less? Basically here we can see that it's obvious. That is more than the half of it. You see how many are colored or shaded? The same thing for number 9. Is it more than 1/2? Basically this is clear and obvious because only 2 are not colored, so it's gonna be more than 1/2. You see why? Because they have like 4, 6 that are yellow and only 2 are not. So here it's obvious as well. Tell me, is it more or less? Yes, super, grade 3. Only 2 that are shaded, so it's less than 1/2. And here is obvious, less than 1/2. Okay, let's write then less than 1/2. And here, is it more than 1/2? Super, yes it is more because all are shaded more than a half. So that's it. Here you can estimate the just with looking, because they are obvious, but for example here, like you have to count kind of, but it's obvious as well. So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching grade 3. See you soon. Goodbye.